how to make Google Calendar private. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private. If you want to keep your schedule secure and ensure only you or selected people can view it, this quick tutorial will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're in, look on the left side under My Calendars. You'll see a list of all calendars linked to your account. Hover over the calendar you want to make private, then click on the three dots More Options. From the menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the detailed settings page for that calendar. Now scroll down to the Access Permissions for Events section. If you see a box checked for Make Available to Public, uncheck it. This ensures that nobody outside your chosen list can see your calendar. If you want only specific people to view it, scroll further down to the Share with Specific People section. Here, you can add people's email addresses and control what level of access they have, like only seeing if you're free or busy, or being able to make changes. Once you've adjusted these settings, your calendar is private and only visible to you or the people you choose. And that's it. You've successfully made your Google Calendar private.